I can't believe I'm about to say this, but I think it's time. I think it's time for me to get rid of stuff. I think it's time for me to clean this disaster. I have been crazy with TikTok Shop, and I just have so many things, and I'm ready to just clean my content area, all of this. Look at that mess. And then hopefully the next time you guys see this, it will be 10 times cleaner, because this is just a mess, like a big mess. Larry, get your beers. Okay, wish me luck. I said I wanted to look cute in this video, but I'm cleaning, so BFFR. I'm going to look like this. I'm going to look like straight trash, but it's okay because my room is trash. Gotta get this guy out. Oh! I just dropped a cheap iPad. It's one of those cheapy ones. Luckily, that was not a good iPad, and it didn't break. Oh, I need this. I hit the wall. Oh, hit the mirror. Hit the wall. I got sidetracked. Put some stuff on my face right now. A little bit of a collagen balm and some moisturizer. My skin's feeling crusty and musty. This isn't what it's about. Okay, let's get back to cleaning. Don't forget to wash your sheets too. Oh my gosh, it literally looks like I did nothing. I'm ready for bed. I'm ready for bed, you guys. I mean, it does look better than before, but ugh. Just sitting on the floor, going through stuff that I want to keep, stuff I want to just give to my family or just give away. And I got stuff that need content. I need to get myself like professional looking bins, but this is just for now. And then I'll get myself something nicer and figure that out. But yeah, and then I have the sheets in the dryer. So my desk is kind of ready for me to film over there. After I do this, I'm going to lay down. My back is hurting. I thought I was going to film like multiple videos tonight after this, but I'm not. So this is going to be the end. But hey, at least I got some stuff done. And it's really hard to film myself cleaning. I don't know how people do that, because there is no way I could do that. I would be too distracted. I kept forgetting to grab my camera, and then I was like, oh, I'm so deep into cleaning this, I don't want to get distracted, so I didn't grab the camera. But I did some stuff. I mean, it looks 10 times better. Here it is at night. 10 times better. I got the fireplace on. I have it on the blue light. I don't know, I'm feeling the blue light tonight. So, I mean, it's way better than before. Larry already laid in bed right there and then got up real quick, so I thought I'd film very quickly. I do have my content creating boxes here, but I'll fix that. And then, yeah, so that's it for today. I didn't think I would get this far doing it, but I did. And it's relaxing now. So, I like this channel, by the way. Okay, good night. Thanks for watching. Ooh, ooh.